Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by creating a new Android Studio project and picking Kotlin for modern APIs. Once done, add image libraries like Glide and uCrop to build an editing pipeline. Make sure to declare and request camera and storage permissions at runtime so file access works on Android 11 Plus. Next, create an activity with a placeholder image view and wiring for an intent to pick or capture photos. This first actionable step moves you from setup straight into loading real images to edit. Once you can load images, implement the editing pipeline in a view model or controller. Load the bitmap with Glide into memory, then apply transformations in sequence so each edit composes predictably. Use uCrop for precise cropping and GPU image or render script for fast filters. This keeps UI responsive by offloading work to background threads. Make sure to expose undo/redo by storing a small stack of bitmaps or transform parameters, so users can revert changes without reloading files. You finish by exporting edits. Compress the final bitmap and save via Media Store to support scoped storage, or use File Provider when sharing. Once done, thoroughly test on multiple API levels and handle lifecycle edge cases like configuration changes and low memory kills to avoid crashes. Finally, sign your APK or build an AAB for Play Store distribution. Troubleshooting tip: if images are null, check permission flow and intent result handling first. Missing permissions cause most save/load failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.